Hi, this is Kelly Phillips for paperbeadrollers.com. The March Dollar Bead Box is here. I'm so excited. You'll have to forgive me for getting a little giddy. Ever since I subscribed to the Dollar Bead Box at the end of last year, every month when it comes, it's like almost Christmas. I get that Christmas feeling because there's always something in here that inspires me to create something beautiful with my paper beads. A new color, a new combination of things that I didn't think about. I can't even tell you how much fun I'm having with these bead boxes. All right, so I'm excited. Let's open it up and see what's in here for March. Da-da-da-da. March 2019. Here's our letter. Okay. Happy National Craft Month. Buyer is back from the Tucson Bead Show, and now we get to start including some of the wonderful finds in upcoming boxes. We hope you'll be as excited as we are with the new items. Congratulations to D. Webb and L. Benoit, I think is how you say that, the winners of our December design contest and a $50 coupon code to use in our online shop. Congratulations, you two! You can see the winning designs and other entries on the Dollar Bead Box Facebook page. It was so much fun to see all the creative ways our members use similar Dollar Bead Box items. Keep a lookout for future contests and enjoy. All right, that's exciting! Okay, so on the back of the letter, they always give you exactly what has come. So let's get ours out and I'll try to match these things up. I'm not always the best at figuring out what is what, but we will see. So, bring this over. We'll just pull this whole thing out. How about that? Let's see what we've got. Okay. So, look at all this. Oh, I'm seeing some very interesting things that I can't wait to try. So, I'm going to pull these forward. Okay, our first piece is the 3mm Cat's Eye Gemstone Multicolor, and that is this beautiful piece right here. These are just gorgeous. There's 125 there, and I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but they just shine, absolutely shine, and give off just a beautiful glow inside those different colors. So this is going to be interesting because with these smaller 3mm, paper beads tend to have larger core holes. And so getting something small like that to work with paper beads means you usually have to put a larger piece next to it. So that'll be interesting to see what we can come up with for this one. But that is absolutely gorgeous. It's called the Cat's Eye Gemstone. All right, let's see. What do we have next? Move this up to the top. Put it right there so you can see it. And this is our next piece. This is a 6mm check glass Druk mint opal color, and there are 34 of them, and that's gorgeous too, and it kind of has a little bit of a shine or a sheen to it as well. You can also see as you get down in here that you can see the line in the center of each, which is interesting. That's where they made it clearly, but it gives a neat little look to it, I think. Okay, next we have this guy right here, and this is our 7x11mm check glass oval, and this is the Olive Rainbow Iris. There are 17 of them, and it says in here there's a note that if you want to reorder those, you can only have one strand per order, so they must have a limited quantity of these. So if you want some, you better go ahead and put in your order right now. You can see the center of the bead through there. They're very nice though. Okay, so this is an 8mm check fire polished, and the color is Jet, and there's 24 of these. So these are solid. They're completely black, solid color, completely black, very shiny and faceted. Very nice. Well, these look like seeds to me. There we go. These are the 4mm check glass Druks, in brown travertine. There are 34 of them. And these are nice. They're very round, very tiny. A beautiful color. kind of modeled there with the different browns, lighter browns, darker browns. Love those. And then these are the most unique. Well, there's actually the next two are very unique, but these are pretty unique. I don't think I've seen this type in the past in this box. This is a 6mm check glass pyramid. Opaque white with bronze luster. Opaque white bronze luster. There are 20 of these little pyramids. How cool is this? I'm sorry, but this is a cool bead right here. So it has it's bronze with a luster, which means it's kind of shiny. And it looks like it sort of reflects different colors. I see like a white and a silvery and a bronze. So it depends on the way the light's reflecting. And it's reflecting a little purple. I'm not sure where that purple's coming from. It could be coming from something here in my studio. But it looks like there's, here we go. Looks like there's various colors reflected in here. Gorgeous. And our last strand is the 6mm check glass flower. And this is red with a rainbow iris. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just saw a beautiful piece online with some flowers in it, and it was gorgeous. And I'm dying to make a takeoff on that with paper beads. It's a beautiful necklace with the flowers sort of hanging down. So maybe I'll get to do something like that. I also have some flowers like this from former boxes, but I don't know that they will match together. They're larger than this, so we'll have to see if I can't do something combined with those or if I just use these with some other things. But these are gorgeous. Let me see if I can't get them closer to the camera and have it focus. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail in the petals. And it's kind of, I don't know how well it'll come on camera. It's more of a, I don't know, it's not really a pink and it's not really a red or an orange. It's kind of in between. I don't even know what I would call that color. Okay, that's it for our strands. Now we have our additional items. Okay, I'm excited about this one. So we have 2 pewter connectors, and I'll go ahead and pull all these things out for you to see. I like this. They've been sending us a lot of antique things, and I like that we have some silver now because I wear silver a lot myself personally. So 3 strand connectors for silver. I think I have some ideas for that. Yes. Okay. And then a Chinese character, pewter with antique copper. So I don't know what character this is. Does anybody out there, if you know what this character is, please type it in the comments. Because it doesn't say what it is, but it would be nice to know before I go wearing it around, wouldn't it? So there we are. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Nice and solid. I'll go with some of those other copper things that we've had in past boxes. And then we have a pewter toggle, which is right here. And it's antique as well, which is good. Because like I said, we have quite a few antique things that have given to us in the past. So I like toggles. They're definitely one of my more favorite type of closures, especially for bracelets. Okay. Oh, you guys, Swarovski. This one right here. This is a Sirius I'm going to butcher this. Sirius Chaton Article 1088 Limited Edition SS39. And look at this gem. This is not a flat gem. This is a gem that you can mount in a ring. It's gorgeous. Look at the sparkles on that. All right, I'm going to have to do something, design some kind of paper bead. Maybe paper bead flower with this as the center, a flower ring? I don't know, but gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Dollar Bead Box, for that one. Brass ear wires. Okay, you never have too many ear wires, for sure. I'm going to take these out just to get a better look at the color. So these are the dark antique. So they'll go with, well, actually they're brass. They're not antique, they're brass. So these will go with, they don't really go with the antique ones. They'll have to go with something brass. Okay, well, that's all right. We'll come up with something. And there are, how many of these? 4 pairs of ear wires. So I like it when they send little findings like this because I don't always need a huge amount of findings. Like, that's perfect. I don't need a ton of 100 brass earrings. So that's perfect. All right, I skipped something on my list. They've been sending a lot of elephants lately. There was an elephant in the February box. It was a silver charm elephant. And then I also believe I have some elephants that are just like this, but they're more of an aqua color. So I wonder if I couldn't get, I wonder if those would look good with these in something. Aqua and blue usually look very nice together. Thinking about that. I wonder, I'll have to see if they match. Pull them out of my old box. So these are officially 20mm check glass elephants, navy with gold wash. And you get 2 of those. And of course the hole comes right through the top of their, and through their feet. So, very nice. Oh, these are cute. So these are check glass leaves. And they are 6 by 11mm. There we go. And they're, you can kind of see through them just a little, not a ton, because they're a little dark. But they're gorgeous. And they've got the leaf pattern in the bead itself, printed, like the veins are printed in. And it looks like there's a little bit of a swirl of lighter green in there as well. So those are nice. And there are 12 of these, which is good. So see, if we do something with our flowers, we may be able to use the leaves as well. So many things to think about here. So many things to think about. Okay. Our next one is the check glass spade charm. So this is awesome because my family, we play poker together. I mean, we don't gamble. We don't go out to casinos or anything. But as a family, we will play poker as a pastime. And my son is getting really, really good at it. He beats me all the time. So now I can make some jewelry. These are double-sided. Maybe I can make some jewelry to cheer myself on and inspire myself. Jet with whitewash, 5 pieces, 10 by 13mm. So those are nice. I definitely am going to use these. I better get making some jewelry. I'm getting behind. I've got a piece that I'm actually filming today that was made with February Dollar Bead Box stuff. So that's going to be coming up soon. And then our last piece here is 8 by 10mm, or 8 by 10. Looks like those are 8s and that's a 10. Hand-painted large hole porcelain rounds. And these are beige with khakis. There we go, beige with khaki color. Very nice. Those will make something good. You can either use them together or use 2 for the earrings and 1 for a necklace. Interesting. The possibilities. All right. And that is it. That is our Dollar Bead Box haul for March 2019. So, like I said, stay tuned because here in a couple days I'm working on a necklace. The necklace is actually finished. I'm just working on the tutorial part of it that I will post up that has some February Dollar Bead Box stuff and paper beads all mixed together. I think you're going to love it. It's a completely new style of paper bead that I came up with inspired by something that came in the Dollar Bead Box. And I think you're going to love it. If you would like to subscribe to the Dollar Bead Box yourself, you can look in the description down below here, and there's my affiliate link. So I will, if you click through my link and purchase, I will get a little bit of credit for your purchase, and I thank you because that's part of what helps me create these videos. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when all the new jewelry tutorials made with some of this lovely stuff come out. And also you'll see some great new paper beading techniques. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.